if your digital product is not selling, you are not the problem. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you what is not selling in 2026 and what to create instead. Number one, generic planners. Generic planners are oversaturated. People don't want blank planners or planners that are not solving anything, planners that are not helping them to do anything, or planners that are not helping them to benefit their life at all. You want to know how to start selling digital products online? I've made a free guide here that you can go ahead and download it to help you kickstart off your digital product business. I'll leave the link in the description below. They want planners for a specific goal. They want planners for a specific lifestyle and a specific problem that's going to be solved when they buy that planner from you. Yes, that's going to sell and it's going to help you stand ahead out of your competition. For example, maybe if you are creating a travel planner for summer, that's going to help a person. A person knows, I'm going to travel in summer and I need a plan that is going to help me to plan my movement, plan my outfits, plan what I am going to use. So this is a plan that is solving a different specific problem than creating a generic planner that is leading nowhere, that is not solving any problem. So the better you niche down and target a specific problem, the higher of your chances of the digital product going viral and people buying it, because it's targeting their pain point. Again, product number that people are not buying. Again, nobody wants long boring ebooks. Yes, you heard me right. I'm not saying that ebooks are bad. Ebooks are good to create, but people don't want a long boring ebook that is 100 pages. That's so long. People don't have time to consume all of that content in that ebook. So people want something that is short, something that is focused and easy to consume. So if you are creating an ebook, make sure that it's easy to consume, that it's focused, and people can apply it in their life, instead of creating something that is long and they will not even remember what they have read and their problem is not even solved. That's going to be hurting your souls and people will not come to buy from you again. But if you create something that is focused and it's helping people to solve their problem and it's short, people are going to buy from you and they're also going to recommend others. What you can do to solve the problem of having a long ebook, you can turn your ebook into a checklist. You can turn it into a mini guide and a workbook. Yes, a workbook is something that is going to help a person walk them into a process of doing a certain thing. Maybe you've created a workbook on how to sell a digital product, so you can create a workbook about that and it's going to help people. So anybody who is buying it, they will know that they are buying this workbook to walk them through the process of creating their digital product. So in this way, this book is going to be easy and not boring, and it will be solving the problem that the person bought it to solve. The next digital product that people are not buying in 2026, too broad digital products. What I mean by this, products that are too broad, products that are too generic. For example, make money online. Yes, make money online is a niche, but under that niche of make money online, there are different sub niches. So if you create a digital product on how to make money online, a person will not understand, because there are so many different ways people are making money online. People can make money online through affiliate marketing. People can make money online through print on demand. People can make money online through self-publishing on Amazon KDP. People can make money online through content creation. There are so many different ways. So if you are creating a digital product on how to make money online, you are not solving a specific problem. Nobody will buy it, because if I'm a content creator, I will not buy it because I don't know if it's going to help me in my content creation. Or if I am into affiliate marketing, I will not buy it because I don't know if it's going to help me into affiliate marketing, or is it going to help me to my KDP business. But if you are specific this is going to be good and better for you. For example, if you create a digital product on how to sell digital products for beginners, for example, if you create a roadmap on how to sell digital products for beginners, this is good, better, because it's specific. Or for example, you can create maybe a success roadmap on launching your first book on Amazon KDP. So if a person is interested into self-publishing on Amazon KDP, they will run to grab that because you are targeting their specific niche, niching down to creating a book on Amazon KDP. If a person is into affiliate marketing, maybe they have been struggling to make sales. So if you create a digital product maybe on how to get your first sale as an affiliate marketer, that is a good digital product because it's specific and it's niched down. So that's going to help you. Just know that specific sells faster and better. The more specific you are, the better you are going to touch a person's heart into buying your digital products. Products that are not working in 2026. Copying old ideas. Yes, what I mean by copying old ideas, if a product has been working well and everybody is creating it, it is going to reach a certain time and a period where people are no longer interested in it and they are not buying it again, and they'll stop paying attention to that same product. Yes, so what you can do, you can improve, you can specify and niche down. Niching down is going to help you. You'll be targeting a certain group of audience, you'll be specific, and you can improve on what others have been creating already. You improve it and take it to the next level. In 2026, systems, solutions, tools, and result-based digital products. This is what people are interested in, and everybody is willing to pay for those types of digital products. So if you are ready to create smarter, not harder, grab my beginner's guide right now. I'll leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. So you can go ahead to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment smart in the comment section below if you are done wasting your time. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.